Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, I do want to quickly mention a couple things. Starting off with that this process will allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I have a pattern set for this specific purpose, and if you don't know it, we can basically fully get rid of it through resetting the device. Now, unfortunately, by resetting your device, obviously, you will lose all the data stored on it. If you don't know your screen lock, that really doesn't leave you with many options other than losing your data and having access to your device again, or not losing your data and not having access to your device, which in both cases you don't have access to your data. So it doesn't really matter, I would say. But if you can unlock it, then you can back up your data. To do so, you would navigate first to your settings, just to quickly showcase this. Where the hell is the settings? Oh, there we go, it's right here. So in the settings, we're gonna navigate all the way to the bottom to System and Update, and in here you're gonna find Backup and Restore. Now there's two ways you can back up your device or save your data in a way. So we have the backup data right here, which takes you to the application that is backing up your data, and you can do this to another like SD card, portable storage, computer, or anything else along those lines. Now this is to some kind of storage device. And you can see we have external storage and HONOR Suite. HONOR Suite is a computer program that you download on your computer and connect your device through that and back it up this way. Now these are great ways to back up your device, but I'm not sure if they won't be locking you into the HONOR ecosystem. I do want to clarify this out of the box, because if they do, obviously this might limit to what you can restore this data to. So as an example, if I were to create a backup here, I might not be able to restore it to my Samsung, which obviously in this case the backup is kind of stupid. But that being said, if you're backing this device up and resetting it because maybe you got a new phone, and in this case you can back it up in a better way compared to this. Now this would automatically allow you to move over your data to the new device, so backup wouldn't necessarily be necessary. You can just straight up move right now all the data to it before you reset it. And depending on the phone brand that you have of your new device, what you do is download the application that basically allows you to clone the data to your new phone. So if, for instance, you're using Samsung, Samsung has an application called Smart Switch. Honor's, Vivo's, OnePlus, and Realme use Clone Phone. Honor, wait, sorry, did I mention Honor in those four? I meant Realme, Vivo, OnePlus, and Oppo. That's what I meant. While Honor uses a phone, what was it? Phone device clone. There we go. So if your other device's new one is also Honor, you can open up this application. For any other branded device, you would need to download their respective application that they use, like the Smart Switch or Clone Phone, on this phone, and then open that application to connect to the new device through that. Select which one to move, which will include literally everything like downloaded applications, third party or not, and anything along those lines like call logs, messages, and so on. So very easy, very well working applications on most devices. Now for other option that you could back it up was through where was it? Through Google. This is the shittiest way you can do it, and you might as well just plug in your device through a cable and go into the phones folder and move manually over everything that you want to maintain. This would give you at least some privacy. So anyway, so with that out of the way, let's move on to resetting now. So I'm gonna lock the device as though I don't know the process, but if you know it, or don't know the screen lock, but if you know or don't know, it doesn't really matter. You can go whichever way. But we're gonna now hold power button and volume up, which will bring up our boot options. Here we're gonna select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up. This time around, we're actually going to be holding for a while. And when you see Honor logo, let go of just the power button while holding still volume up. This will take us to the recovery mode, at which point you can let go of the volume up. And in here, we're going to select clear data. I'll select factory reset. And as a confirmation, you don't get to put in your screen lock. You actually just need to type in yes. Now, before you continue, I do also want to point out one important thing, which I forgot to mention. When resetting it this way and you doing it in order to get rid of a screen lock, after the reset, your device becomes FRP locked. In this case, you will be forced to verify either your screen lock or the Google account that was signed in on the device prior to the reset. So something to keep in mind. But also, to be devil's advocate here, if you don't know either one of those, most GSM stores that sell like used devices, they typically offer services to remove those for a small fee. Just a little tip. Anyway, let's select yes as we typed in the yes in here. And this begins factory resetting our device. Now don't worry, this actually won't get to 100%. It gets to like 15 or 20. See? I guess 17. And automatically becomes finished. So now we're going to select back, restart. This will reboot the device, continue resetting in the background while it's basically resetting and doing whatever. And once it's finished doing whatever it's doing in the background, we're going to be presented with the setup screen. So anyway, I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.